This is the F-Type Coupe, the car Jaguar is heralding as the most dynamically capable, performance-focused road car in its history. It'll have to be. This is the two-door Jag hopes will dish out a kicking to both the Porsche Cayman and 911. With very British resolve, Jag has taken the fight to Porsche by giving the coupe not only a fixed roof, novel, but yet more power. This is faintly concerning. We have never felt the F-Type Cabrio to be exactly lacking in power. True, the outputs of the two supercharged V6 F-Types remain unchanged from the convertible's 335 bhp and 375 bhp. But Jag has ditched the Cabrio's 488 bhp V8s, replacing it with the 542 bhp V8R, which features the firm's 5.0-liter supercharged 8-cylinder in its most potent form. The V8R will get from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4 seconds dead and do 186 miles per hour flat out. That's if you can keep it pointing forwards. The less powerful V8 test convertible is as drift-happy a hot rod as we've driven in years, and we'd suspect the V8R coupe will have a similar penchant for sideways. Handle with care. The V8R coupe will cost £85,000, just a fraction more than the 400 bhp Porsche 911 Carrera S. And some £53,000 less than the almost identically powered Aston Martin V12 Vantage S. Whatever way you look at it, the F-Type's offering a good chunk of sports car power for your cash. Even so, the F-Type coupe should be in yet more focused drive than the Cabrio, which is hardly a wobbling fatty. The hardware remains largely unchanged, beyond a slight increase in spring rates front and rear, but the fixed roof, which you can have in aluminium, carbon or glass, adds stiffness. Jag says the F-Type coupe is the most torsionally rigid car it has ever built.